The 6-week series of 3-count hustle. This is week 1. I showed the throw out to open and back to close. I will go ahead and show the breakdown of the footwork at different angles, and then I will do the moves with Joanne. So the leads, we are going to go ahead, imagine yourself on the railroad tracks. We're going to do and 1, 2, 3, and then back to close. Remember, and 1, we're getting off the slide. 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1. Now, out of habit, you're going to see that I'm progressing on my 1. You can also replace, but I usually help the followers out by a little push in that direction, so she doesn't have to travel as far, and then again push in that direction. I'll show the footwork in this direction, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So you go open and back to close. Now followers, we're going to go ahead, turn to the left and turn to the right. And 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go ahead and turn to the left again, because that's the throw out to open. Now the turn to the right is coming back to close. Turning to the right, we're turning between 2 and 3. We're stepping forward on 2 and turning. So if I would go ahead and have the throw out and draw back to close, it looks like that. I'll go ahead and show it in this direction. And 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1. Now bringing it together. As you can see, I'm getting in onto the railroad ties. She's staying on the railroad ties and coming back. And I'll do the same thing here. Actually, let me turn around here for perspective. And 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And that was this evening's classes. Thanks for coming out.